Hi there, John Bowe here at Gray's, and this is one of the last of the Australian-built Commodores. It is a factory supercharged car, but it's got a way better story than that. It has the full Walkinshaw upgrade package, which gives it 557 kilowatts, which in my reckoning is about 750 horsepower. So it is way, way, way powerful. It's all done by Walkinshaw. It's all substantiated, documented. So here it is. This is full Walkinshaw enhanced Walkinshaw performance, 557 kilowatts. It's got all the right badges, Walkinshaw exhaust. It's a full upgrade, and 750 horsepower, let me tell you, is a lot. It would be super, super quick, but it looks normal. I love it. I know I'm supposed to be a Ford person, but I love it. So there you have it. That's what 557 kilowatts look like. It's the full Walkinshaw enhanced package, airbox, engine cover, little plate. You know, they did all the HSV cars. They were like an extra, they were an additional manufacturer. It's OE quality, and if power's your thing, you couldn't get any better than this, honestly. So have a look, Gray's Classic Cars online Thursday night this week.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.